Okay guys, welcome back and congratulations. This model provides an overview of artificial intelligence and its growing role in user interface and user experience design. If you participate in this course, you will explore fundamental AI concepts, understand how AI enhances design processes, and also analyze real-world examples of AI-driven UI UX. So guys, what do we have on our agenda? First things first, we are going to start by understanding what artificial intelligence is all about, and then move ahead to talk about how AI enhances UI and UX. And then finally, we are going to move ahead to explain some AI case studies in UI UX. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's start with the first item on our list, which is what is artificial intelligence. Now, it is important to understand that AI refers to computer systems that mimic human intelligence in order to perform certain tasks such as problem solving, learning, and decision making. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the key AI concepts in UI and UX. First is what we call machine learning. With this, we have algorithms that learn patterns from user behaviors in order to enhance UI and UX. Next on our key AI concept in UI UX is what we call natural language processing. This has to do with AI powered interactions such as chatbots and voice assistants. Next is what we call the neural networks. This talks about AI systems that analyzes vast amounts of data in order to recognize patterns in user behavior. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the AI technologies impacting UI and UX. First, we have what we call the computer vision. With this, AI analyzes and interprets images for features like facial recognition and gesture-based controls. Next on our list, we have what we call the predictive analytics. With this, AI anticipates user needs based on past behavior. Next is what we call generative AI. With this, AI generates design elements and content automatically. For example, we have what we call the AI powered design assistant. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. In this exercise, it is expected of you to carry out some research and also present an AI powered tool that enhances UI and UX design. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about the next item on our agenda, which is how AI enhances UI and UX. So guys, at this stage, it is important to understand that AI transforms the design process by making interfaces smarter, more efficient, and highly personalized. So guys, it is time to look at some of the key benefits of AI in UI and UX design. First, we have what we call automation. With automation, AI speeds up design tasks such as generating layouts and testing prototypes. Next, we have what we call personalization. With personalization, AI customizes user experiences based on behavior and preferences. Next is what we call the predictive design. With predictive design, AI suggests design improvements based on data insights. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's talk about some of the AI driven enhancements in UI and UX. First on our list, we have what we call the AI powered design tools, which includes Adobe Sensei, Figma AI plugins, and UiZard automates UI generation. Next on our list, we have what we call the dynamic user interfaces. With these, AI adapts layouts and content based on user interactions. Next, we have what we call the smart content recommendation. With these, AI suggests personalized content. For example, we have the Netflix recommendation engine. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. In this exercise, it is expected of you to analyze a website or an app that uses AI for personalization and also discuss its impact on user experience. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time to dive into the next item on our agenda, which is case studies relating to AI in UI and UX. So guys, it is highly important to understand that examining real-world applications helps to understand how AI enhances UI and UX across different industries. Now, let's talk about some of the successful AI-driven UI and UX implementation. First, we have what we call Netflix. With Netflix, AI-powered recommendation engine personalizes content for users. Next is what we call the Spotify. With Spotify, AI-driven music suggestions enhances user experience. Next is what we call the Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a natural language processing powered voice interface that provides seamless interactions. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about how these companies make use of AI in UI and UX. First is what we call the user behavior analysis. With this, AI studies how users interact with content and also adjust recommendations accordingly. Next is what we call the dynamic interface adaptation. With this, AI modifies layouts in order to suit different users and different devices. Next on our list, we have what we call automated customer support. With automated customer support, AI chatbots handles queries efficiently, thereby reducing the response time. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. In this exercise, it is expected of you to choose an AI powered product. For example, we have the Netflix, the Amazon, and the Google Assistant, and then analyze how AI enhances its UI and UX. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, by the end of this model, it is expected of you to understand the core concept of AI and how they apply to UI and UX design. It is also expected of you to recognize the role of AI in automating, personalizing, and optimizing UI and UX. Additionally, by the end of this model, it is also expected of you to explore real-world example of AI-driven UI and UX. And then, finally, by the end of this model, it is also expected of you to develop insights into how AI is shaping the future of design. And that's beautiful, guys. Thanks for participating, guys. See you in the next model.